Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Farmers for business insurance and bonding, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Farmers Insurance official website. Look for the section dedicated to business insurance. Click on the link that says Get a Quote or Start a Quote. Choose the type of insurance you need for your business. Fill out the preliminary information about your business. This may include your business name, location, and type of services offered. Next, specify the coverage options you are interested in. Farmers offers various policies, including general liability, property, and workers' compensation. After selecting your options, you will be prompted to fill out detailed information. Provide your business's financial information and any previous insurance details. If applicable, include information about any licenses or permits you hold. Once you have completed the form, review all the information for accuracy. Submit your application to receive an initial quote from Farmers. A representative may contact you to discuss your needs and clarify any details. Be prepared to provide any required documentation about your business. This could include financial statements, tax identification numbers, and employee counts. Review the quote offered by Farmers and discuss any adjustments or additional coverage you may need. If satisfied, you can proceed to finalize your policy. This may involve signing contracts and setting up payment options. Once everything is confirmed, you will receive your policy documents. Store these documents in a safe place for your records. Next, consider bonding options if required for your business. Contact Farmers or consult their website for information on bonding services. Complete any required applications specifically for bonding. Ensure that you fulfill all criteria as outlined by Farmers for bonding approval. Once your bonding application is approved, you will receive relevant documentation. Keep track of renewal dates for both your insurance and bonding. This will ensure continuous coverage and compliance for your business. By following these steps, you can successfully register with Farmers for business insurance and bonding. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.